Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the shop page buy credit buttons and the product page buy credit buttons. So I thought I might as well combine this into the same tutorial because they're pretty much the same. So if these are selected, if we look at the shop quickly, visit the store. So this generally comes into play when the user doesn't have enough credits. So you're going to see a button displayed here, buy credits, and then on the product itself, buy credits. Now there may be some instances where you want to customize this or remove the button altogether. So if we go into the settings here, if we hide the buy credit on the shop page and then also the product page, so you can see both settings activated, let's just save those changes. And then we go visit the shop page and just give it a refresh. You can see now that buy credit button's disappeared. So there may be an instance where you want to hide it on this page. It might look a bit messy on your layout, or you just don't want it there at all. And then again, on the product page itself, you could always opt to hide it. But this may or may not work for you. I mean, obviously, if the user doesn't have enough credit and this is a credit-only store, then that's going to be displayed without any button whatsoever. So depending on how you set your store up, I'll just go into the settings. And if we look at the other options, say it wasn't a credit-only store, and if we visit the page again, now you're going to see a slight difference because basically that buy credit button's disappeared. All the option is add to cart. And then if the user doesn't have enough credit, it's going to add to cart as a normal priced product. So depending on how you want to configure your site, the buy credit buttons can be either hidden or displayed on both the shop page or the product pages. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick it in all the videos that you're probably going to see just to keep reminding you. And also, if you got a comment, leave a comment, and if you got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.